Pack your dreams, let's hit the road.
Good afternoon from Thailand. The time is 12 p.m. and we're gonna going to my cooking lesson now because my boss is hungry, so I need to cook for his food. So let's go, guys. Guys, look my food versus Steve's food. I'm not hungry. I'm not really This is my food, and this versus Steve's food.
Can't wait for summer vacation. Shimmy Genavero. What a man on drums a man. My worries stand a shambles.
Hi guys, welcome back. Yesterday and today I supposed to go to cooking lessons, but yesterday it's Mother's Day here in Thailand, and uh the owner, she's busy and she's going somewhere, so it's canceled. And today it's supposed to uh reschedule today, but I'm very tired because last night I didn't sleep well because we don't turn on the aircon. So yeah, I didn't sleep well, and that's why maybe tomorrow again. And today, whole day, sleep whole day. And after, I think today is now is 4 o'clock, and Steve not here. I decided to go in mall to shopping because we have a few weeks left here in Wahin, so I need to get some pasalubong for Philippines for my family there. So yeah, let's go, guys. And I need also to buy a my top, because as you can see I always wear a same top from the I think from the first time I went in Thailand until going to Laos, going to Vietnam, go back here in Thailand at same. I didn't buy any. Well, I buy two t-shirt, but still t-shirt from t-shirt Lao, Vietnam t-shirt like that. And now I decided to go in mall and get some, maybe 1 to 3 pieces top. Yeah, and then it's because it's expensive here than the Philippines. It's double here. If you convert the money, if you here, for example, here it's 250. And if you convert the Philippine money, it's like 500 pesos. So yeah, okay guys, let's go. While waiting my Grab, I book motorbike Grab. So it's easy to what do you call me? There's no traffic if you book the motorbike. It's 4 minutes ago. It's too long. And I don't know where is Steve now. I messaged him, but he's not replying. My Grab is here now. Wait. Thank you. So guys, done. I got a lot. Hi guys, welcome back. I just got home from Market Village. And this is what I got. Charan's another suitcase. And there is more. What to see? Oh my god. There is more. The girl locket. Okay. There's more inside, guys. And my husband waiting my quick haul. Okay, first. I'm scared to show him. I got panties, 3 pieces. And bra, 3 pieces too. But this other one, it's free. So guys, I don't have any new bra because I got fat. And I got socks, 4 pieces. It's 89 baht. Yeah, because it's 49 bahts, 2 pieces. Yes. And there's more. I got for workout wear. This one, I think this one I can swim too. This one, workout wear. I have 2 short workout wear. This one. And I have workout too. This guy, I don't think it's original or no. But look, Adidas. It's 199 each. 199 each. And I got also this because I don't have any t-shirt now. Also this. Yeah. That's enough. That's all, guys. And let's eat dinner, honey. So hi guys, we found a new restaurant here. I think this is, I don't know what is this, it's kebab, so I don't know what is this. Look guys, how to zoom in this. Yeah. Yes. What is called this, honey? Berlin kebab.
Berlin, where?
This is from where?
Berlin, Germany.
It's Berlin kebab. Yeah, actually this is my first time to eat like here in Thailand. Okay guys, let's eat again every day, you know.
This is the back.
Yeah. So guys, this is the kebab. What's this? Is beef?
Yes.
What is called this?
It's bread.
And this is mine. Wrap. This is our dinner, guys.
It's the same thing. Yours is bread as well, but it's flat bread. It's wraps.
Yeah, it's wrap. Ooh, guys. But I'm not fan of this one, the onion. Burgers. Where's the burger? Do you want? Small chunk? Yes. Okay, this one. Need money. I have 20. $18 more. It's okay. Eat more. 3 more. Okay. Can you here? Up. Doink. Sige. Ay! I think this is ice cream. Double chocolate. Okay. I'll try this. Wait. Okay guys, that's all. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And be lucky. Always be kind to others.